Planning to visit Tallulah Gorge State Park? In the next minute, we'll show you the top 3 things to do, from a peaceful walk to a descent into a spectacular gorge. We're Amy and Pete. Amy and I want to send you a free Tallulah Gorge sticker. It literally takes about 20 seconds. We'll show you the link at the end. Starting off is the Shortline Trail. This easy trail follows the Tallulah River upstream from the gorge along a former railroad bed. It's peaceful, scenic, and a great option for families or anyone looking for a relaxing walk. At number 2 is hiking the North and South Rim Loop. It's nearly 2 miles and takes you along both rims of the gorge. You'll visit 10 overlooks with stunning views of the Tallulah River and its 5 waterfalls. You'll also descend hundreds of stairs to cross an 80-foot suspension bridge directly above the roaring Hurricane Falls. And at number 1 is hiking to the gorge floor on the Sliding Rock Trail. Only 100 people per day are allowed to do this hike, and you'll need a free permit from the Interpretive Center. You'll scramble over boulders along the Tallulah River, pass waterfalls up close, and can even swim at Sliding Rock. It's challenging, unforgettable, and worth every step. And if you're planning other park visits, Amy and I are creating guides for every US park. Subscribe so you don't miss the ones you'll visit next. And to get your free park sticker, just click the link at the top of the description. It takes about 20 seconds and we'll mail it out to you, usually within a day.